Hey everybody, my man Handyman here. I hope you can hear me. It's an actual very windy day here in Grand Junction, Colorado. But the sun's shining. I think there might be some rain coming in. Say hello to Luke, everybody. This is Luke. Luke, say hi.
Say hi.
That's about as good as it gets. And I'm at home right now, and I've been wanting to demo this tool for y'all because it's a really neat tool and it's great for everybody. I've been cutting egress windows out of the job site, and we haven't been able to make a video because I got Dustin on a different job. Ken's been at home sick, so she hasn't been able to come out of the house and make a video. But we're at home, so we're gonna make one right now. I got some broken concrete, and I'm gonna show it off. And this is the tool I'm talking about. My Husqvarna electric demo saw. You can see I got the water running already. But I love this because it runs on electricity. So there's a lot of them out there. They're gas powered. This is the only one I know of in the valley right now. And it's, I rented this tool. I didn't buy it. I rented it. I'd love to buy one, but they're a little pricey, and I don't use it enough to justify the cost. So, but you can rent this at United Rental Tools. They're over here off like 23 Road off by the interstate. So
tell them why you love electric.
Well, what I love about this is no gas. No, well, so if you're cutting in a basement like I am, no gasoline, no carbon, no exhaust, none of that nasty stuff. I am getting wet though. Normally, now let me just show you, normally guys, when I'm doing this, especially when I'm doing egress hole windows, because I'm down in a hole, we just dug dirt, I got my full body suit on. You do want earplugs, let me just say. I'm going to try it without the earplugs just so I can talk, but I have an earplug just in case. And I got my mud boots on, so I stay dry. I stay relatively dry when I'm down there. And if you're going to cut, you'll want some of that stuff just because you'll get splattered on. The ground will get muddy underneath you. So trust me, you'll want that. And that suit's only $9. The boots, you can pick up a pair for 11, 12 bucks, something like that. Earplugs are like $2. So, and then of course, always remember to use your safety glasses, guys. Especially when cutting concrete, it'll chip and fly. So this is all set up. I got it all plugged in. If you're gonna have to use this extension cord, you're gonna want one of the heavier duty extension cords, depending on how far you gotta run it. If you can find a dedicated circuit in your house to use, that's great. Like the house I'm doing now, they have an outlet right outside the breaker box. Perfect, plugged in. It's one outlet and that's it, and it works great. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fire this up, and I'm gonna show you guys how easy this works, man. I love this thing. It's like cutting with butter. Reset. I'm pretty much through. Stop that really quick. Usually don't do that. But I'm pretty much through except in the middle. I already got both edges. Just got a little bit to do in the middle. I love cutting the concrete because when it does it, it pushes it out the back and makes this little pasty stuff. It's neat to watch. It's like melting concrete. It's fun to watch it melt out of the back of the saw blade. But this is a tool, I really like this. So it's great for cutting through about 4 to 6 inches of concrete. After that, it's a little bit, it doesn't cut, that's about as thick as it gets. If you're doing like I'm doing with the foundation, you got to cut from both directions. So you got to cut in the inside, and you got to go around, mark it on the other side, and cut through that way. Hopefully hit in the middle. And so I've been lucky so far. If you do have to do something like that, I like to get the hammer drill, and in the corners I drill straight through, and that gives me a marking point, so then I have a straight line to do. So as you saw, first thing I did was I just kind of cut me a little scribe line, so I just had a straight line to follow, and then I just started gutting through it. So if you want to rent this, United Rental, this is the only place I know right now that has the electric one. They have another saw. If they ever get it back, I'm going to demo it. It's a plug saw. It's gas powered though, but if you're doing foundation cutting, you can cut it all from one side, and basically what it is, it looks similar to this, except that here it comes out a little bit further, has two blades side by side, and they're not quite as deep, but you plunge in, then you come back and you break it, what's in the center, and then you go through again. In about 3 passes, you go all the way through a foundation from one side of the house. I love that saw. They keep giving it away to other United Rental companies. I don't know why. So, so this is one I like. So guys, check that out. We'll probably put this on our little website page. You can check us out on Instagram and of course Pinterest. And as always, you can contact me anytime by, let's see, phone. I forgot the office number. I'm sorry. 970-425-7318,
I think.
7318. So there you go. That could be right.
It's different than our number stuff.
Yeah.
Never remember.
It's not the same number that's on the side of the truck. We have an office number now dedicated to that, which we love. Go straight to the office if you try to get an appointment set up. That's the best because you
Or
can
email mightyman@mightymanhandyman.com.
That works too, and you'll get directly to the office. And we have the accountant right from, and they do a much better job of setting up appointments, and we don't double book. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna let y'all go. Have a great evening. I'm gonna finish cutting this off so I can get rid of this and report this little section eventually. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.